She took. You did?
Yeah.
She just said.
About what?
I don't know. How to do this?
Oh no, I wasn't talking about him. I'm talking about him. No, because it was one that she was looking for.
Oh, you mean a student? So who is a question you have? Like which one you working on? Oh, I guess Hillary helped you out.
Mariah Hill.
So the questions, everything has to come from that one page.
I think she in a Bulldog Lounge doing something.
Kaden left her. Robinson is not here.
Kaden is back there.
Oh, he's got his head down.
Yeah.
That's why I see him. Okay. Robinson was here, so
I think she got an early dismissal or something. I don't know. I'm gonna go ask Mr. Allen.
And Nelson, yeah, and
he was here. He got an early dismissal. I believe I just seen him.
Wesley and
she here.
So all we gotta do is figure out what happened with Robinson.
Nerto was here.
Was here.
David, no, he not here.
No, I think that.
Oh, Natalie is here.
Yeah, she right there.
Who, David?
Who, David? What? That kid was here, unless he left early.
I think unless he's with Miss what's her name?
JV or something.
No, Miss Garcia.
Really?
Unless he is. Cause maybe that's a Spanish one.
He has this right now. You can ask. You can ask. But I gotta do this.
I'm gonna just mark him absent for right now and go back and do it.
Save the office. We can change it later. And you can ask about those two, David and then Robinson.
Robinson.
I'm gonna knock the spot out. Yeah, Azariah. Who said that? What, huh? Can you what? Yeah, you better hurry up. I'm about to do this. Do that. Maybe Nicole can help you out. Where's this? Okay, it's red, purple, red, green. I'm gonna do combination. So what are we working on, right? Y'all should be writing that box down. What's in the box? So let's write this out. This is your we do notes. All right, it says we do because I'm doing it and I expect you to type it. So with that said, I told you on page 48, there's a box that says definition of average speed. Y'all need to type that in. So average speed is defined mathematically as, we're going to use the abbreviation of A.S. Y'all are typing the whole thing though, right? So just that little box, everything I should see in the we do section as you start off. So A.S means average speed. We did this before, y'all. So A.S is equal to lowercase d for distance and lowercase t for elapsed time. So with that said, let's define what each of these are measured in. Distance is always measured in terms of meters. Time is always measured in terms of seconds. Now, what does that mean for our average speed? Well, it's meters per second. So we just say parentheses m/s. All right, we box this off. And like I said, on page, 48, if you wrote everything in that box, this part of your notes is covered. Number 1. Number 2, what are our ingredients this from, right? So this will be number 2 in our notes.
No.
Yep, yes, sir.
That's that.
It is. Look at you. Actually, it's 10 because you told me 2 parts of it, right? Huh? Number 2 of your notes. What are you talking about? What's wrong with those? Did y'all write down? Did you write the box? Okay. So, what are some of our values? I'm trying to give away points real quick before we get out of here. You said what now? Okay, let's do one at a time. What do you have? We don't have. We do. So that's going to be A.S equals what? Tell me from the problem, Gassy. You're so close. You said it. You said meters per second. No, I'm talking about what goes in the nose. So in your problem, you told me meters per second. You're right. Oh, he's so close.
18.7.
No. Try again. That just has meters by it, so that's not it, right? I'm talking about A.S. What is it? You told me what it was. You said something with a meters per second. There we go, man. All right. Take your 5. Okay? Now, let's go back to the other number he skipped over. Which variable up here is that? We got A.S. What else? No, T is in second. So what is it? Yes, D. For distance. Take 5 more. And what is that number before you take it?
18.73 meters.
Thank you. Okay.
Did I say A equal?
Huh?
Did I say A equal?
Where you at? Here?
Yeah.
It says A.S for average speed.
Right under A on X.
No, this is D equals lowercase d. I wrote my D like an A? Wow. It's the best I can do for y'all. Lowercase d, like this D. This is D over T, y'all. All right, so Mr. Gasson, he got 5 extra for telling me it was 18.73 meters. That's how we knew that was meters, lowercase d. All right, unknown. Well, think about the equation up here. What's not given? T. I give you 5 for saying that, man. I'll just be real. I thought you were about to say 5.
You said it before.
All right, I'm just saying. You said it after me. I thought you were looking for points. Like, come on, man. You got to be quicker than that. I try to wait 30 seconds when I do this. Last part. I told you this is super sweet and easy. You got a problem downstairs in the you do like this, so make sure you have the notes and understand what you're doing. So, what do we got? Number 3 is you just state what you're going to do. Step 1, please write step 1. Some people just writing a bunch of numbers and like, come on now. Make your notes very neat. Solve for, what do we say? Lowercase t in terms of your elapsed time. So we got to do some algebra because it's not solved for t here. We use our algebra and rearrange it. So let's write the equation out. That's A dot S for average speed is equal to lowercase d, y'all. I think I'm writing A's over t. Same equation. Write it again. So A dot S is equal to lowercase d over t. And since this is a division process, we do the opposite, right? So let's go ahead and do that. We gotta get out the bottom. So I'm gonna group this with parentheses, multiply by its reciprocal. Then once you do one side, you gotta do the other. Okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So that becomes multiplied by lowercase t for elapsed time. And then we're able to cross some things out. So if you look here, t divided by t is actually going to be crossed out. So I just draw a line there and there. They're gone. Make sure you do the same thing in your notes. Use a strike through method. Highlight what you want to strike a line through, and that should get you what you need. All right, rewrite the equation. We still got to get t by itself. It's not by itself. It's being multiplied now. We come down a step and rewrite our new equation. And just telling you what it becomes. And then we still got to get t by itself. So we'll write it again. Please put all steps. Some of y'all, my grade look like that because you be not writing every step. And that counts. So now we got a weird situation. We once had to multiply, so we got to divide again, but not by the same thing. We're going to get d by itself. So we're going to take as over here by doing division. So what do I do? Draw a bar here and divide by what I don't want next to my time, which is a dot s for average speed. A dot s, cross these out, rewrite, put the numbers in, and you're done with this problem. You talk real fast. What'd you say?
But no, he not here.
Who was he?
David.
He was here though.
That's what I'm saying. That's what Mr.
We just gotta mark him absent. I mean, unless they had
Mr.
marked
Adams
him
said
down
that
for
too.
that mark him absent.
Cause I just went to other classes and he not in there.
That's
So
the
he
only
could just
reason.
like.
I was trying not to mess up his attendance. Well, it's not. If it's not saying ED, that means they didn't do it correctly.
All right, but it's done like how he messed up. What's the deal?
That's all. And then Russ gotta figure it out. He left somehow. Good catch, Nicole. So I'm gonna come down one, plug in my numbers. Well, first let's rewrite the equation. So it's gonna be time is equivalent to, this is a step, y'all. We're gonna put lowercase d over t, not t, as. You okay over there, Gas? Oh, you're having a heart attack. All right, t, all right, is equal to, we're at the finish line. Use your lowercase d here, And that's gonna be, I was saying I write A, that's a D. And that's gonna be, what do we say, 18.73 meters. Divided by, where's your average speed? It's given in 5.5 in your notes, 5 meters per second. Calculate. Use my fraction button. And all I do, like I said, is hit that button. If you're using this thing, it makes a fraction for you. Things are easy. I'll be at you in 1 second, guys, and I know you like move. 18.73, press down, 5.55. I get 3.37, and that's gonna be measured in terms of seconds. Meters and meters will cancel. Here we go. 3.37 seconds. And this is the end of that very short problem. That was only worth 45 points in terms of a recording. Okay? I'll take a picture, put it in Esby. Finish as much as you can. I think the points went to who? You, was it you, Gaston? Or? No, it was Nelson, right? Okay. 45, man.